New Zealand's 2026 Visitor Visa. The updated rules make it easier than ever to plan your trip. Who needs a New Zealand visitor visa? It's required for most tourists, family visitors, and short-term business travelers from non-visa waiver countries. Check if your nationality requires a visa. Some countries are part of the New Zealand Visa Waiver Program, allowing short stays without a visa. For 2026, you must show enough funds for your visit. Expect at least NZD $1,000 per month of stay, or $400 if accommodation is prepaid. Health requirements apply. You may need to complete a medical exam or chest X-ray if your stay exceeds 3 months or you're from certain countries. A character check is essential. Some applicants must provide police certificates to prove a clear criminal record. Gather all required documents: a valid passport, 2 recent passport photos, and supporting documents like invitation letters or travel itineraries. The visitor visa application is completed online. Set up your account, fill out personal and travel details, and upload scanned documents directly to the portal. Upload financial evidence, accommodation bookings, and return flight details as part of your online application to support your visit purpose. Pay the visa fee online. For 2026, visitor visa fees start from NZD $180, paid securely by card or online banking. Visa application submitted. You'll receive updates and requests for any extra documents by email, so check your inbox regularly. Processing times are faster in 2026. Most visitor visa decisions arrive within 20 to 30 working days after submitting your complete application. Stay organized. Keep all paperwork and copies of your visa approval easily accessible for airline or border checks during your travels. First-time applicants, double-check your supporting documents and ensure honest, consistent information for the best chance at a smooth approval process. With the right preparation, your journey begins now. New Zealand's stunning landscapes are waiting for you. Start your adventure today.